If at some point in the past you've had an experience of NLP, be that either in a book or even on an attendance-based training course somewhere else, there's a pretty good chance that I'm not going to have to convince you about just how beneficial it is to become absolutely established and grounded in your understanding of this fascinating science of human achievement. And if you are already confident in the core NLP practitioner-based teachings, then throughout this course we're going to be building layer upon layer and expanding all of the core concepts, the ideologies, and all of the main principles that you hopefully already know. Now, I've created this course not just to fill your head full of complex ideas and textbook-based information, but rather I would just like to simply be that guy that helps play a part in helping you to gain a far deeper appreciation of exactly what it means to be human. You see, NLP Master Practitioner training is uniquely designed to peel open all of the understandings that you hopefully already have, to show you the extent of what lies beneath the surface. Or we could say that where NLP Practitioner training courses give you a breadth of insight and understanding, NLP Master Practitioner training gives you the depth. So throughout this course we're going to be covering absolutely everything, from me just simply reminding you of the basics, right through to you getting out there and using some of the most advanced conversational change patterns that completely transform people's lives from the inside out. You see, over the years, NLP has been referred to as an instruction manual for the brain, which unfortunately none of us are given when we're born. NLP helps us to understand our thoughts, our thought patterns, our feelings, our beliefs, our attitudes, also our behaviours, and more importantly than anything else, the reasons why we have all of these things to begin with. You see, throughout this course I want to help you to better appreciate how in life people very rarely do the things that they do for the reasons that 9 times out of 10 we would naturally be inclined to think that they do them. Because you see, it's in understanding these reasons why people do the things that they do that allows us as NLP Master Practitioners to better connect and relate with other people and even ourselves on a deeper and far more authentic way. And this is important because once we understand what it is that drives us as human beings, well, we then become people of far greater influence and of far greater value to all those people who we already know and to all these people who we're going to come to know at some point in the future. You see, NLP mastery involves developing a far deeper understanding of the methodologies that lie beneath the skills, the techniques and the change work patterns that are commonly taught in NLP practitioner trainings. And it's these very understandings that will hopefully enable you to confidently get yourself out there to improvise and in turn create new applications of NLP in different contexts and in different situations as or when the need eventually arises for you. And at this stage it's important that you know that I take a very balanced approach towards teaching NLP, where rather than just teaching you a conventional master practitioner curriculum, I'm going to be sharing with you my own life experiences, my greatest successes, my greatest failures, and all of the main life lessons that I've learned along the way that only come through experience, so that upon completion of the course you will have a grounded appreciation of how it is that you can use these ideas in real life situations when practicing on either yourself or with other people. And I thought that it might also be useful just to mention at this stage that this is also one of my main lifetime project courses, where myself and the team are 100% fully committed to regularly adding in new materials and additional resources, so that eventually this course hopefully becomes recognised as one of the most comprehensive and cost-effective NLP Master Practitioner training courses that's available online today. And if I'm going to be completely honest with you, I think that we're actually just about there. So if by now you are officially intrigued in becoming a master practitioner of Neuro-Linguistic programming, then click on that button and join me today in what I hope you're going to find to be a massively thought-provoking, a hugely eye-opening and an immensely perspective-shifting journey. So my name's Kane Ramsey, and unless of course you have any objections, then I'm going to look forward to hopefully seeing you on the inside of the course.